Surrounded by nature's beauty, I feel I have a sacred duty. Tucked into a sleepy hollow, in this place family we'll follow. The sky is cloudy and blue, the weather comfortable and true. A wonderful place to share, a grateful place to love and care. Nature's beauty is pure and grand, a gentle calm is upon the land, a secret place for our spirits to sprout to love. Enjoy and wonder about a secret place beneath the trees where we enjoy nature's breeze. Gentle rustle in the leaves, the sunlight trickles through the trees. I hear the birds calling each other, a whistling song to one another. A gentle stream wanders through, in this place our spirits renew. There's beauty all around, in every sight, in every sound. Nature's beauty is pure and grand, a gentle calm is upon the land, a secret place for our spirits to sprout to love. Enjoy and wonder about a secret place beneath the trees where we enjoy nature's breeze. Precious memories here, where Mother Nature's spirit dwells. We're living under her loving spell. Let this place forever bloom, the hallowed spirit forever. This is a very sacred place where God has left